Hi, today I'm making scalloped potatoes. This delicious, creamy potato and cheese recipe is very simple to do. You're going to start with a cup and a half of milk, 3 tablespoons of butter. You want a teaspoon of salt. I actually add a teaspoon of garlic powder, as well as 4 cups of sliced potatoes and 3 tablespoons of flour, and pepper to taste. You'll begin by melting your butter in a small stock pot, and you're going to stir that until it starts to melt, and then you're going to add in your flour as well as your milk. You're going to add your milk slowly to the mixture, and combine all the ingredients well. Then you'll add your teaspoon of salt. You'll then add the teaspoon of garlic. We're going to use for this recipe 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. And so you're going to add that cheese to the milk mixture and combine it. And once it's creamy, it'll sort of thicken and you'll be able to pour it over your potatoes, your sliced potatoes that are in a casserole dish. It doesn't have to be a greased casserole dish. You just need to pour like so over the potatoes. And you want to then spread the cheese mixture over the potatoes, just like so. Next, what you're going to do is you want to just make sure it's down in the crevices to make sure that it gets all the way through the casserole dish. Next, what you're going to do is take the about a half a cup of cheddar cheese and then sprinkle that across the top of the potatoes. Okay, and then you're going to bake this whole thing at it'll be on 350 degrees for 1 hour and about 10 minutes. I find that you really do need an hour and 10 minutes just to make sure that all the potatoes are softened. And when it's done, it develops this incredible crust, and it's perfect for Easter, perfect for holidays, and Sunday dinners alike.